In a break from my usual educational content, I thought I'd review my new electric bike. It's from Crooze on the Gold Coast here in Queensland, and it's called a Stubby. It's a folding e-bike with huge fat tyres, and it looks like the same frame has been used to make the Volt Bike Mariner in Canada, the Bad Bike in Italy, and the Hoverfly in the US. This bike gets a lot of attention, and every time I ride, I get looks and comments. It's like a cross between a BMX, a mountain bike, and a folding electric commuter. If you're not familiar with fat bikes, they're suitable for riding on sand or snow. You can ride a fat bike on the road, but the rolling resistance means it's hard work, and you won't be breaking speed records. You can also take a fat bike on a mountain bike trail, but because this is an e-bike, it's carrying a lot of extra weight, which does make it less manoeuvrable. Riding on sand is a slip-slidey adventure. If you live near the beach, this is an easy recommendation. It's a good idea to hose it off, or at the very least clean off all the sand and sea salt when you've ridden on the beach though. And yes, you can, of course, ride this on the road. Having super chunky tyres means that if there's an obstruction ahead of you on the bike path, you don't think twice about leaving the path and riding rough for a little while. How do the electric bits work? Well, you can adjust how much assistance you're given with a controller on the left handlebar. It goes from 1 to 5 as well as controlling the lights. If you really want to get a workout, you can set assistance to 0 and you'll discover how unfit you really are. In conclusion then, if you're looking for something a little unusual, if you're interested in an e-bike but don't want a strict commuter, if you'd like something you can have fun with on the weekend but still take to the shops to pick up your groceries, or you'd like to get into bike riding more generally but there are too many hills around, then this is a good choice. Thanks to Crooze Bicycles for making it and selling me the last one in their store at the time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.